Today is day 10 of our 50 squats a day for 10-day challenge. Yay! Today, to make it a little different, I decided to come outside because it's a beautiful cloudy day today. And for weights, I'm using, you can use water bottles or soup cans or hand weights. I couldn't find my hand weights, so I'm going to use water bottles again because my water bottles are, well, they're by bottles, electrolytes, but still that kind of idea. And I am going to do chest presses for the first 25, and then I'm going to do the hammer arms for the last 25. Okay, ready and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, let me fall in, Jeff, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25.
Maybe we'll kick it off where I push you in.
Yeah, please don't push me in, making sure.
You know,
okay.
like a celebration, like at the end of a football game where they pour the Gatorade on the coach.
All right, ready?
Yes.
For the next 25, we'll do hammer pull downs like this. Oh, it's kind of nice not being on my vibration plate this time. All right, and 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, and 50.
You did it.
Yay, we did it. And I want to thank everyone who's done them with me.
I was going to push you in the lake.
Traces of Twaun's life, because it was Twaun who inspired me. She did this challenge right before me, so I decided to join her and Mounjaro journey with Pam, and Dawn's doing these with me, and everyone else that has been encouraging me each day. Thank you so much. I look forward to doing our Weight Loss Book Club on Sundays and Mounjaro Monday lives with you all. Hold on to your anchor moments and make it a great day. Bye-bye.